In Lesson 12, we started learning about the key of D major. We covered the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. D major, G major, or G major 7, and A major, or A dominant 7, A7. In today's lesson, we're going to stay in the key of D major. This time, we're going to learn how to play the D major scale. I will give you a pattern to practice, and we will also add a melody to the chord progression that we learned in Lesson 12. The melody, of course, as we discussed before, will be derived from the scale. The notes in a D major scale, for those of you following along with the music theory, are D, E, F sharp, G, A, B, C sharp, and then D again. Those notes correspond to the solfege syllables do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. All right, enough of the talking. Let's learn how to play the D major scale. The first note we're going to learn to play is D, or do, in the key of D. D is string 3, fret 2. Let's go ahead and use the index finger to play that note. We'll play it 4 times together. String 3, fret 2. 1, 2, here we go. D, 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 D. The next 3 notes of the D major scale, E, F sharp, and G, will be played on string number 2. E is open. F sharp is fret 2 with the index finger. And G is fret 3 with the middle finger. Let's try all 3 of those notes, E, F sharp, and G. Play them together 4 times each. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. E, 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 F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, F sharp, G, 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 G. How did you do? Don't worry if it wasn't great. You can take all the time you need to practice. Now let's try combining the first 4 notes of the scale. It will sound like do, re, mi, fa. If it doesn't, you may be playing the wrong strings, the wrong frets, or your instrument may be out of tune. We'll play each note 2 times in this case. Here we go, starting with D, fret 2 of the 3rd string. 1, 2, 3, 4. And let's go backwards. Okay, the last 4 notes of the scale will be played on string number 1. A is open. B is the 2nd fret with the index finger. C sharp is the 4th fret with the 3rd finger or ring finger. And D is the 5th fret with the pinky. So A, B, C sharp, D. Let's try each of those notes 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. A, B, C sharp, and D. Let's go backwards. D, fret 4 is next, C sharp, fret 2 is next, B, and then open, A. Nice job. Now, let's put the D major scale together from do to do. We'll play each note 4 times once again. After that, we'll go a little bit slower and play each note 1 time. Also, for both of these exercises, we're going to go up the scale and back down in reverse. Okay, let's try that together. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. D. String 2. Fret 2. Fret 3. String 1. Fret 2. fret 4, and then fret 5. And now we're going to go in reverse order. 5, fret 4, fret 2, open, onto string 2, fret 3, fret 2, open, and then the last note, do. Let's play the D major scale one more time. This time we're going to play each note only once, and we'll hold it for 2 counts. So it'll sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Backwards. 5, 4, 2, open, fret 3, fret 2, open, 2. Let's do that one more time. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Backwards. Fret 4, fret 2, open, fret 3, fret 2, open, fret 2. Now that we've learned how to play the D major scale, take a look at the scale pattern exercise in your workbook. This is a pattern based on the interval of thirds. You may remember from all our discussion about the circle of fifths that an interval is the distance between 2 notes. A third would be from D, E, F. From D to F is a third. In this case, the F is sharp. So D to F sharp is a third. The second group of thirds would be an E, and up a third from that, E, F, G, E, and G. Basically, it's just a scale pattern that will help you with your technical facility, and it will help you develop your ear with the D major scale. Here's the D major scale pattern in thirds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two, 3, descending. D major scale pattern in thirds. I did add 1 extended note onto the top of the scale to round it out and make it rhythmically even and tonally even. I added fret 7 on string 1. Just like it says in your workbook, no different than playing any other fret. It's just up here. Let's try that one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Two, 3, descending. Make sure that you're listening to what you're playing at all times. I know that that may sound silly, but sometimes we get so caught up in using the right fingers on the right frets of the right strings that we don't even hear what we're doing. Music is all about sound, so always stay focused on what you're hearing as well. Anything that we do visually in music, such as sheet music or chord diagrams or lyrics, are meant to be a means of communication. It's not the music. The music is the sound that comes out of us and our instruments. It's not notes written on a piece of paper. Now that we know the chords in the key of D and the D major scale, we're ready to make some music. Remember the chord progression we did back in lesson 12? Now I'm going to give you a melody in the key of D major to go on top of it. It's called D Ditty. It was a lot of fun to write. I hope you enjoy playing it. The melody has 2 sections. Each section is 4 measures and played twice in a row. We have an A section, 4 measures twice in a row for a total of 8 measures, and then a B section, 4 measures twice in a row for a total of 8 measures. Here's the A section, the melody. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, repeat. That's the A section. Here's the B section. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat. I will play the chord progression 5 times. The first one is a lead-in, just to kind of set you up and get you in the groove. The second, third, fourth, and fifth times, you will play the melody on top of the chords that I'm playing. If you need to practice the melody and then come back to play with me, that's okay. This is not easy, it takes practice, but it's rewarding and fun. Here's the chords. I'm on rhythm, you're on lead. 1, 2, 3, D chord. 1, 2, 3, 4, A. Get ready for your melody. 1, 2, 1, 2, here you go. And repeat the A section. The B section. Here we go. Repeat the B section. Here we go. D. A. And wrapping it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice job. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed the song, and I hope you enjoyed the key of D major. I will see you in the next lesson.